For the past few years, agriculture has been facing increasing challenges in the UK. Water scarcity has devastating effects for the farming industry, affecting small to medium farmers in particular. To address this, current water storage solutions come in a variety of size and shapes. But after studying over 175 water supply systems, we realized that medium-sized water tanks tend to be bulky, making them difficult to transport, install, and require more planning and preparation than expected. But what if there was an alternative? What if there was a product that was easier to transport, faster to install, and better for the environment? What if there was a water storage tank like you have never seen before? Introducing the Rapid Water Tank Bundle. The bundle includes the 14R model, a new, innovative and adaptable type of water tank, with 14,000 liters of water storage capacity that can be fully installed within 24 hours. Our tanks are lightweight, weighing only 256 kilograms. They fit on a 2x1 meter pallet. Like a balloon, our tanks are inflatable. It only takes a few minutes to fully inflate them. Once secured, our tanks are super strong. The bundle also includes an Insta-Slab concrete base. This serves as the durable base of the water tank. To install it, you simply need to level the ground where the tank is going to be placed. Then, unfold the Insta-Slab base and irrigate it so it can cure. And then add the tank on top of it. Securing the Insta-Slab to the ground is also easy. You can use a variety of different ways to secure it. We take great pride in designing and building our tanks in our factory in Pontyclun, Wales. The concrete canvas technology used to produce our tanks emits 90% less carbon emissions, accounting for transportation. Uses 75% less water in the production process, and 70% less material carbon emissions than conventional concrete. Now, what can 14,000 liters of water be used for? Well, you can feed nearly 500,000 pullets per day, over 4,000 pigs, and up to 200 cows per day, or 1,000 perennials for 90 days. And if you decide to get 2 tanks, you could even irrigate an entire football field. Make sure to get yours now at deploytechlimited.com.